back, everyone. It's day 103. Um, I know I was planning on doing something for today, but it got really late, and also we had a lot of maintenance that we had to deal with today. Thankfully, I did move to a better part of the residence that I'm currently in right now. So, what I'm going to do for today is I'm just going to do a very short update. I'm going to actually increase my volume here, if you can hear me all right. And I'm going to go ahead and spend one more day adjusting, and we will do a big double parcel, I'm hoping double parcel, for grab at Atlas Earth for tomorrow, alongside maybe looking at the leaderboard and a little special something for you guys, all right? So just give me one more day. I will be right back. And yes, I got the video template file as well. That's ready to go. So I will have that ready for you guys tomorrow. All right. So I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you for being patient, everyone. I'll see you all then. Bye, everyone.